Friends, ladies, Romans and Indians, I just got to tell you, I've shaved. You can take a look here at my face. That stuffy stuff is gone. It's because I don't want my wife to divorce me. People of my ilk, from my class of society, are falling like nine pins everywhere. Bill and Melinda Gates just got divorced. Can you believe it? And let me explain to you. Bill getting divorced, I mean, the reaction is, what? And Melinda getting divorced, it is, what took you so long? Even my voice was like Melinda. It's called The Week That Wasn't. Bengal, Bengal, Bengal. So, why did or how did Didi do it? Well, we have a reason. Take a look. That's the answer, folks. Football. Bengalis love football. BJP should have called me. I know these things. Now, there are three things the BJP did wrong. Take it down. Never mentioned football. Spoke in Hindi to Bengalis. Huh? When is the last time a non-Bengali won a seat in Bengal anyway? It's not that the Bengali doesn't speak Hindi. They just feel the rest of India is not smart enough to speak Bengali, so they should stick to Hindi. Divide and we'll rule. That's what it's called. What about the left? After decades of dominance, no seats? In a sense, it's like the left. Actually, all the left seats went to the BJP, so actually the left went right. Can't make this up. It's all true. In Tamil Nadu, DMK Zindabad. Of course, in Russia, nobody with the name Stalin has a chance in Russian politics, but here, in Assam, it was the BJP, but in Kerala, LDF won 99 seats, which may be Pinarayi Vijayan's legacy, because even in his under-19 cricket days, he couldn't get 100. Edge. One was a bad decision. Leftist gave it. After effects in Kerala, Assam, Puducherry, and the wipeout in Bengal, people are calling the Congress's performance poor. Okay? I say don't say poor, just say consistent. Of course, celebrations were supposed to be muted, so in keeping with that, only the BJP offices were burned down. We don't know by whom. We are not saying TMC did it. We don't know that. And it may not have been a celebration. It may have been accidents also. To cheer us, let's revisit India's finest sporting moment this week, folks. There you have it. I don't know if she's involved with the EPL next year. Stop asking me questions like that. Lots more coming up, but first the headlines. Didi sweeps Bengal polls. The oxygen woes continue in India. And IPL suspended. All right, before we start with our top story, just some personal information. I have done it. I have already placed my order. For important things, because you know we can't go anywhere, so you have to order from home. So I've ordered my MK677, which is a secretagogue. It's a human growth hormone thing to help my body grow and be better and fight the virus. I've also got vitamin B, C, multivitamins, and electrolyte and things like that. So all in place. Also 2 oxygen cylinders and 5 Novartis vaccine. But I don't know if it's going to come. I paid. They've accepted the payment, so hopefully it will come. If it comes, then I'll tell you, you can do the same. Keeping it positive, bro. Keeping it positive. And sis. Bro and sis. Everybody. And in between, everybody. Bro, sis, and between everybody. Okay, our top story is all about the Bengal elections. TMC chief Mamata Banerjee this week took oath for the 3rd time as Chief Minister of West Bengal. After her stupendous innings victory in a viciously fought state election, the fighting is still going on as we speak. Stop fighting. Let's go straight to the TMC headquarters, and joining us from there is a very jubilant Banerjee Babu. Banerjee Babu, BB.
We are the champions, my friends. We shall keep fighting till the end.
Yeah, so now we know why they are fighting. Obviously, this kind of thing can really hurt people. All right, fair enough. Sir, you won. Tell us what you're feeling.
Aray, Sairaj, apani kemon ache? Bhalobashi. How are you?
No, I'm great, but you're greater. Your party seems to be in super great spirits.
No, Nirbhoddo. Party not in great spirits. We will have great spirits at party.
How well you did that. How beautifully you did that. Anyway, go on. Please tell us what you're feeling. Tell us everything.
This is new beginning. It is new beginning. it is going to be new party. So I am personally giving you invitation for the launch.
Sorry, the launch. You're launching a new party?
Udi Baba, I am saying launch, not launch.
Launch?
Udi Baba, launch like breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Lunch?
Launch?
Breakfast?
আরে বিগ লঞ্চ শুক্তো ভাজা ভেটকি পাতুরি কাতলা ঝোল কষা মাংস মিষ্টি দই তোমাকে আসাতে হবে ইউ হ্যাভ টু কাম
I would love to, but I'm allergic to fish. I'll have the mishti doi, but I don't know what else you could. Maybe I could just come at the end. Okay, so let's discuss what happened.
আরে what happened what happened is simple what happened is O for apple V for victory V Bhan in Bengali it is said Bijoy like that fat friend of yours no Bijoy Kaur Bijoy
He's not that fat. It all depends on the lighting. He's not. He's actually quite a small man. But Mamta lost her Nandigram seat. So in all this, you know.
But so what is there? So what is there? We are asking for recount.
I don't think that's the right spirit. But what happened in Nandigram? What do you think? I mean, after winning nearly 3/4 of all the seats in the state, your CM, your boss, your leader loses her own personal seat.
Yes. I'm also wondering. I'm wondering also. You know Derek?
Yeah, Derek O'Brien. Yes.
Yes, that bone-beat fellow.
Yes, I know.
He
I know
said
Derek.
there is something fishy in Nandigram.
I see something fishy in Nandigram. What did you say?
I told Derek, what do you mean by something fishy? When you say something fishy, you have to be more specific.
Specific how?
Specific like ভাত ফিশি সরষে ইলিশ ফিশি রুই মাছের ফিশি চিংড়ি মালাই খড়ি ফিশি বেকটি পাটুরি ফিশি ভাপ্পা ইলিশ ফিশি পাবড়া মাছের ঝাল ফিশি ডাব চিংড়ি ফিশি or giant perch fishy. What fishy? Just fishy no.
Right. Okay, so Gordon Ramsay has suddenly appeared out of nowhere and just taken the show to some other level. Now look, Mamta has said that there's something unfair and foul happening in Nandigram. I want you to talk about that.
You are right. To explain what is happening. In Nandigram, I will give you famous quote of famous Bengali poet.
All right, go ahead.
So, poet is saying, fair is foul and foul is fair. Hover through the fog and fill the air.
I think that's a vague translation of Macbeth Act 1, Scene 1. That's Shakespeare.
Bengali poet, William Da.
Okay, I'll leave that. But coming back to Nandigram, what is the answer there? What's going on?
I will give you one more quote from Bengali poet which explains Nandigram situation. That will give you the full answer.
Oh, another poet. Are you sure this one will be a Bengali poet, actual?
Of course. Bengali poet. Poet is saying, how many rows must a man walk down before you can call him a man? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Bengali poet.
Not Bengali. That's Bob Dylan, iconic song from the 60s. That's not.
Dhilon, Bengali poet.
No, you can say it 100 times. It won't change the fact that he's not. And I will not argue with you. I'm only interested in politics here and Nandigram. So let's talk about the BJP instead. Mamta has proven the BJP is wrong. The BJP has said that there was a huge Modi wave in West Bengal. That didn't seem to happen.
Uri Baba, of course. Huge Modi wave in West Bengal.
What are you saying?
They are waving him bye-bye like this.
It's a bit gloating, huh? You better be careful.
Now, what to say about BJP? I can describe about BJP in one song by original Bengali singer.
Bengali singer, now this time he better be Bengali, all right? This time 100% Bengali I want.
Bengali, About BJP, the singer is singing, Koi humdam na raha, koi sahara na raha, hum kisi ke na rahe, koi hamara na raha, koi humdam na raha.
Arguably the worst rendition of Kishore Kumar's song that I've heard in my life. And yes, I'll give you that. He's Bengali by descent, so okay, fine. Yes.
Yes, Kishore da, Kishore da.
Bengal, the land of Kishore Kumar. Okay.
That is in old day. In new days, it is no longer.
No longer?
No longer Bengal, the land of Kishore Kumar.
Really?
Now it is Bengal, the land of Prashant Kishore. Koi hamdam na raha, koi sahara.
You may feel like actually overturning the election just because of that singing. Sometimes think about what you're doing, especially on television. All right, it's time for us to look at a very interesting moment in Delhi. This whole oxygen controversy going on. We try to keep our cameras out there to see what's happening, to capture people in a certain situation, to see how they're dealing with it. What really is happening here on the streets of Delhi. Let's take a look.
Hello? Are you okay? Huh?
No,
What?
I need oxygen.
You need oxygen? Why? You can't breathe?
No, I can't breathe.
Why? You are not normal? Something is wrong with you?
No, it is normal, but I need oxygen.
But have you checked everything? Have you checked your temperature?
Yes,
You have no cough? No cough?
no cough, normal, normal.
Have you done your sputum test? Huh?
Yes, normal, normal.
Blood test?
Yeah, normal.
What
normal.
about chest CT?
Chest CT normal.
I think that you should do a rapid antigen test. You should do.
No, it is also normal.
Normal?
Yes.
What about RT-PCR?
It is also normal.
Everything is normal?
Yes, everything is normal.
If everything is normal, why do you need oxygen?
Because I can't breathe.
You can't breathe. If everything is normal, why can't you breathe?
Because it is normal.
What is normal?
Polluted air of Delhi. You need oxygen.
I also want.
You are coughing. No, you are coughing.
I put my hand up here. I suspect this may not have been a Delhi street. And it may be a bit of a falsehood. I don't want to sound insensitive to anyone. A lot of people suffering in this time, so we've got to be a little sensitive to everybody. That, I don't know who those two jokers are, and I'm not sure. I'm going to investigate this. If they come back, we'll figure this out, all right? Anyway, let's now talk a little bit about the lockdown, especially in places like Mumbai, because people are talking about all over India, the poorer sections, etc. What about where the rich live? The rich are also suffering. Let me tell you the problems of the rich in Malabar Hill. It's very painful. You try to walk your dog, you go 3 buildings out, and they arrest you and put you inside the van and take you for a chakkar to Malabar Hill police station, then nobody talks to you after that. You're not even actually arrested, you're just left there like furniture. You feel really bad because nobody's quite clear what the crime is. Anyway, a few kids have been put in and, that's caused a lot of trouble. A few old chachas and chachis have been shouted at. That tamiz we talk about, which is missing when police talk to adults and children. So just to inquire, let's find out from an alleged member of the Malabar Hill police station whether all this is going on and how we can make the situation better. I'm here to help. We are here to help. So here he is, Manav Mohite, Havaldar, and a very, very nice man.
Ah, namaskar, namaskar.
Sir, is it true that you arrested a 16-year-old boy for walking his dog 2 buildings from his own building?
Yes, but it was some misunderstanding.
So please clarify, what is this misunderstanding?
I did not know he was 16 years old. I thought his dog was 16 years old. Communication misunderstanding.
Dogs generally don't live to be 16 years old, but I see. But you didn't know the boy was 16?
I did not. I thought he was 15.
Okay, but why the high-handed behavior, sir? If I may, point the finger at you, shouting at old people who are walking, catching dog owners just outside.
But it's a lockdown, na? They can't be outside. We are just following the law.
Okay, all right. This law is a little grey here at the moment. Can't you talk to them nicely? Aren't you supposed to do what we call Samaj ki seva, sahayata, helping, be humanitarian, dil dard?
Just because they are rich people, we should not shout at them, huh? I am very secular. I shout at everyone. Not everyone, not my wife, but everyone else.
Yeah, and not my wife, huh? Just be careful. But Malabar Hill residents say they donate generously to the police. They're very fond of the police. They send mangoes out of season also. They send gifts. They built a Ganpati for you in the station. What more you want from them?
But we don't want all that. Firstly, most of us are diabetic. Yet they keep on sending those sweet mangoes.
I'm getting the sense you don't really like your job. In fact, you probably hate it. What's going on here?
What is there to like? On Malabar Hill, there is no crime. So we are forced to catch the dog walker and the 80-year-old chachas who are going out for walks. मजबूरी भी एक चीज है.
Tell me about it, sir. My God, tell me about it. You know, I was angry at you at the beginning of the interview, but I see your sensitive side here, and I'm now on your side. I've actually changed my position. I'm with you, sir.
Thank you for seeing my position.
Bro, this is great. You know, this is what I like. Ladies and gentlemen who are watching, at times like this, police and citizens must come together to fight the pandemic, and that's what we are doing. A harmonious moment for India. I like this.
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
Okay, so sir, you leave the dog walkers alone, please. Apparently, they have got permission from Animal Welfare Board Center, plus the Commissioner of Mumbai as well, last time round. So it's all clear now, okay?
Yes, we will leave them alone.
Please be polite to the senior citizens now. I mean, what are they doing? They're just trying to walk. They're frustrated, anxious, unhappy, sad.
110%. We are on the same page.
Great, great. This is a very positive conversation. I'm feeling great inside. We need this. Thank you very much. I salute you, sir. I salute you.
Thank you. पकड़ दे कुत्र्याला पकड़. अरे हात टाक. अरे ते म्हाताऱ्याला पड गे. तो बघ. हा पकड झाले.
Hey, no. What again? Dog walker? He's allowed to walk his dog. We just discussed that, sir.
Yes, but the dog is not wearing the mask. पकड़. अरे काट रहा है. अरे वो बुड्ढा भी काट रहा है. अरे भाग अंदर आ. दरवाजा बंद कर अंदर आ.
Speaking of mask, let me tell you a sad story. A friend of mine drowned the other day. Yeah, he drowned because he refused to take his mask off. We'll take a break. We'll come back. Welcome back. I've got some seriously bad news. Horrible news. News that is, I know there's COVID and death and there's no end to it. And Kerala's got lockdown. It's horrible. But I've got perhaps slightly worse news. Kangana is back on Twitter. Just joking. The suspension stands. Twitter is very, very powerful when it comes to all this. They will not back down. They've taken a stand and they will fight to the finish. You can call them tweet and you can tweet them as much as you want, but they will fight and they will hold their position. In the meantime, the Australian government saying no Aussies in India can fly home for now till May 15th. Let me tell you, 35,000 Aussies are stranded here. Not just the cricketers, not just the IPL circus, but lots of guys working MNCs, banks. We have two guys in our studio. Indian race, but Australian accent. So, God help us. Not only do we have too many Indians, but now we have too many Australians. By the way, Mamta lost Nandigram, so she has 6 months to contest the bypoll and regain her seat. Or her chief ministership is null and void. But, as always, Didi has a cunning plan. She just has to keep playing this. You cannot beat that. You check. In the history of cinema, no one can beat that. Oh, by the way, last weekend's Manchester United versus Liverpool game was called off. You know why? Because Didi had the football. Want to see the video again? You don't believe me? Two teams can't play without a football. What are they going to do? March? You can't march. They have to play with a football. She had the football, didn't return it. Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are in a tussle on who owns the moon. At the time of going to the press, Mr. Pawar has not recorded any statement. So, I'm just, one second. Listen, no controversy here. We just don't know. But let me tell you one thing. India has a position everywhere except Twitter. Let's go back to the streets of Delhi and check whether there is any respite with the oxygen situation. I think we've got some real Delhiites in a real Delhi street. Let's take a look.
What happened? What happened? What is happening to you? Speak up.
Can't breathe.
You cannot breathe. Oh, you cannot breathe. Shall I call a doctor? हाँ डॉक्टर को बुलाऊंगे मैं नहीं ठीक है बोलो what is the matter ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गया हाँ तो are you okay you cannot breathe what to do yes what shall I do you want to say something okay you want this you want to write yeah right yeah I have paper pencil okay yeah try say what do you want to say I don't understand anything. What is this? Okay, wait. I cannot breathe. You are standing on my oxygen tube.
Look, I hate to be the critic of my own show. Because I know everybody else is. But I have to join in here. acting is awful. You can't say they have COVID. There can be no reason for this. But I have to tell you, this was not a Delhi street, and those same two guys can't be everywhere. This is an overpopulated country. We have Indians and Australians now to look after. So who the hell are just two people, the same two people appearing everywhere? It doesn't make any sense to me. I apologize as usual. We will go to a more interesting story. Here it is. The IPL suspended. How sad is that? You know, I mean, right in the middle of all this, the one thing we had was the IPL, but that's gone. But the BCCI is taking care of all the other teams, more or less, it looks like. But Australia's Prime Minister, Scott Morrison, classmate of mine, he's refusing any Australian the right to come back home till May 15. He says, just stay where you are. If you're coming from India, you cannot enter here. Okay, so that's a bit of an impasse. They're upset. So let's meet Mr. Prasad Sharma from BCCI's PR team. Mr. Prasad Sharma is glad to talk to us, so let's find out. Hello, sir. What sad news?
Yes, very sad. You heard about it, huh?
Of course, it's all we're talking about. We're all so upset.
All you are talking about is my forthcoming appendix surgery.
Yeah, that too. But also the IPL being cancelled. That's what we're talking about, sir.
Not cancelled, suspended.
Oh, really? So when will it happen if it's just suspended?
Let me see. Not May, June, July. We are in England. August, September, monsoon. October, November, South Africa here. Then World T20. November, December, no foreign players are available, and
So cancelled.
I prefer saying suspended. It hurts less.
Right. Okay. Okay. So the players from the foreign countries.
Taken care of, taken care of.
Go on.
England, West Indies, South Africa, taken care of.
Okay. New Zealand, Sri Lanka, and the two Bangladeshi boys.
Taken care of. I personally said thank you to them.
Afghanistan.
Arrangements are made, but they prefer to stay in India only.
Oh, okay. But that leaves Australia, and apparently Scott Morrison won't allow them home. What about the poor Australians?
Yes, unlike India, you see, Australia is a fragile democracy.
So what's the BCCI doing to help Smith, Warner, Ricky Ponting, these legends of the game?
You see, a three-pronged approach is in place.
Oh, good. So you've got a strategy, a three-pronged strategy. Please go ahead.
One, they should marry Indian girls, after which we can get them all bank jobs or government jobs like Indian Railway, Air India, etc., etc.
Wow. I mean, wow. Really?
Second option, they join political parties. That will help further their careers and also ensure that they are safe. Of course, it is a little tricky. In Calcutta, for example, they'll have to join the TMC. In Ahmedabad, they join the BJP. In Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party. And in Mumbai, they will have three choices. MVA.
That's Mumbai. We always have options. Okay, and thirdly?
Thirdly, all Aussies come together and form the 9th IPL team and call it AAA.
Did you say AAA, Triple A?
Yes, Aussies abandoned by Australia.
Ooh, come on. But come on. I mean, they're worried, they're anxious, they're depressed. I mean, it's not fair. They're human beings. What are you doing to keep them safe?
Oh, don't worry, don't worry. We have made arrangements there also.
Lots of arrangements. Please tell us what, please.
We have made sure that they all have masks.
So now an Australian knows what it's like to be an Indian. Finally. This is the way to teach them. Shall we go back to the streets of Delhi and see what's happening there? Your answer is please don't. I accept that, but we've already shot it. We are forced to. It won't be the same too. I swear it cannot happen. It cannot happen. I will resign if it happens. It has to be different people on real Delhi street. Take a look.
Oh, ये कहाँ यहाँ?
Hey, mask kidhar hai? Wear a mask. Wear a mask.
Why?
Don't you know the rules are you are supposed to wear a mask at all times?
I know, but I cannot wear a mask.
Why? Why can't you wear a mask? Why?
You see, I have a medical condition.
Medical condition meaning what?
I have a medical condition because of which I cannot wear a mask. Yeah,
Why?
I cannot cover my face because I have a medical condition and that makes me hard to breathe. It makes really hard to breathe.
Okay. I'm sorry. I did not realize you have a medical condition. It's okay.
So,
don't worry.
you know,
don't worry.
It is.
Okay, don't talk.
It is
By the way, what medical condition do you have?
something called COVID-19. Arey!
I spoke to the government, the central government, forget state. I spoke to them, they won't take the resignation. They're saying, you need to suffer more, stay with this show. Because what you're doing is terrible. And who are those two ugly people that you're showing on camera every time? And just because it makes you look less ugly doesn't mean you're not ugly. All the web series also is all fast forward, fast forward, fast forward.
So he has to be on the street, no?
What's the point here?
Bank jobs or government jobs like India. Here, show me your 5 lakhs Q-card. He will have great speed. Not me. I should actually have it here, no?
Can I take this patla with me? I feel taller.
You're me, I need oxygen, I need oxygen.
Yeah.